Ever thought your next $600 could come from just exploring Google Maps? Yeah, that's right. We're diving deep into a side hustle that's more than just earning. It's about making a real difference. Intrigued? Let's unlock this together. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Let's start with the basics. Imagine small businesses around you, maybe the cozy cafe down the street or the family-run dry cleaner. Many of them have something in common. Their Google business profiles are hidden gems, just waiting for a bit of shine. That's where you, Google Maps, and ChatGPT come in. Together, we can help these businesses stand out and attract more customers. Why does this matter, you ask? Visibility. It's the lifeline of small businesses in the digital age. A well-optimized Google business profile can drastically increase a business's visibility, driving more foot traffic and ultimately sales. It's about giving these local heroes the spotlight they deserve. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. Now that you see the potential, let's get you ready to tap into it. First up, finding your targets. It's simple. Dive into Google Maps. Look for local businesses, especially those not popping at the top or with few reviews. These are your diamonds in the rough. Next, let ChatGPT lend you a hand. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who's always on. Together, you'll draft messages, fine-tune your pitch, and get a list of businesses ready for a glow-up. Crafting your pitch is where the magic happens. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Make it personal, highlight the benefits, and remember, you're offering a solution, a way to bring more customers through their doors. Reaching out can be nerve-wracking, but it's all about confidence. Emails, phone calls, social media, choose your arena. Just be clear, concise, and above all, genuine. Let's talk money. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr not only add credibility to your services, but also simplify the payment process. Setting up is easy, and it ensures everything's above board. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. Delivery time. This could range from minor tweaks to a complete profile overhaul. Listen to your client, understand their needs, and deliver your best work. Your success is their success. Ready for that game-changing tip I promised? Here it is. Video testimonials. They're gold. After you've transformed a business profile, ask the owner for a short video testimonial. It's not just proof of your work. It's a powerful tool to win new clients. Mistakes happen, but let's try to sidestep them. Overpromising, under-delivering, neglecting follow-up. These are just a few pitfalls to watch out for. Stay true to your word, maintain clear communication, and always follow up. This will help you build a strong, trustworthy reputation. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now, Android and iOS, links in the description. To wrap this up, remember, you're not just earning money. You're helping local businesses gain the visibility they desperately need. It's a win-win. With Google Maps, ChatGPT, and a bit of hustle, you can make a significant impact. And don't forget those video testimonials. They're your ticket to credibility and trust. If you're ready to explore this opportunity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got questions or need clarification? Your curiosity drives our mission. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll help steer you towards success. Let's tackle these challenges together and unlock new levels of online earnings. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.